First of all, gold H4 time frame. This is your symmetrical triangle chart pattern. Same as expected last week, this is your sideways correction. And market cannot stay in correction mode forever. So this week you will see breakout. Since fundamental of gold are bullish, at least for next year 2024, and in case if it break out to downside, then wait for clear breakout of lower trend line and this fifth retracement level from top to bottom, 50% retracement at 1907 will be your next big support level. And as a beginner trader, you should manage your risk up to 1833. But this area near 1935 is your key horizontal support level. Below that level you can buy, and for upside breakout, right now price is making its final wave E. That means end of this correction chart pattern. And after wave E, you will see next impulsive wave. And for bullish entry, you have multiple stage. First wait for retest of this lower trend line. Then wait for breakout of upper trend line. And last buying entry in this pattern is retest of upper trend line after breakout. So if you want maximum security, then wait for breakout, then you can buy on retest. And if these two levels are your support level, and for upside breakout above 2009, on daily time frame, these two are your key resistance level. But one thing I would say, since 2075 is your all-time high, and once price break that level, there is no resistance to guide beginner trader, because chart is full of all the horizontal support and resistance. That is very helpful for all the beginner trader. But once it break 2075, things will be very complicated for beginner trader. So till price is trading below 2075, this is your best opportunity to make money trading gold with bullish bias. And when this top was made 2009, market expectation for May FOMC was 0%, that means rate pause. Then rate cut in June FOMC meeting 25 basis point. That is bullish sign for gold. And as I explained in that FOMC meeting video, market is now expecting a rate hike in both FOMC meeting. So those are bearish sign. So until market get clear answer what will be decision on FOMC meeting, it will make sideways correction. And there is a possibility that this correction can retest this lower trend line. But main thing is recession has been started, and if you see from this bottom, fourth quarter last year and first quarter this year, and in last 6 months gold was bullish non-stop. So maybe it break out to upside or more correction is coming. So recession mean dovish Fed, and dovish Fed trend has been started in your March FOMC meeting. And dovish Fed basically mean every word that FOMC members say is bullish for gold. That is your definition of dovish Fed. And March is your last rate hike, and wait for official confirmation that will not come before next FOMC meeting. After that, rate cut which is already inside market. And most important thing which many people were asking in last video, that market will crash, that means SP 500 will go down. Yes, it will crash, and in past when market crash, gold crash because of margin call, and it's happen all the time. But there is a difference between recession and stagflation. So maybe that 30-year-old correlation does not work this time. Because you saw when gold was making that vertical move, dollar and gold both were going up in vertical line, because both are used as a reserve currency. And this is last time for dollar. So there is a good chance in 2023 complete opposite what you saw last year. And because of stagflation, there is a possibility that dollar and gold both go up. That market crash correlation with gold is only bearish thing for gold, except that everything is bullish. And if that happen, 1807 is still your super strong support level. And this your higher time frame of gold, which you will not see in free MetaTrader 4. This is highest ever closing on quarterly chart of gold. And last two quarter were super bullish for gold. And now in news, all the information is available that rate cut is coming. And you can see on your screen, hedge fund has already bought that rate cut speculation 6 months ago. And this is your new quarter, new week, new month. And next quarter, you know, gold can close about 2075. And that April month is super strong based on seasonality. And you will see big money flow in this month. So in upcoming week, if it make correction, then it is a good chance to buy before price close about 2075. And this closing is same as I explained you in beginning of this year. And now your speculation is next quarterly candlestick. And new quarter is starting this week. And it is one trade from April to September. And this month you do not have FOMC meeting, but next 3 months you have 3 FOMC meeting non-stop. And on Friday you have NFP, which I am predicting that sooner or later it will go below 100k. And only thing matter is in next 6 months all the speculators are waiting for Fed to admit that there will be rate cut this year in 2023. And that trigger can be NFP this week or a big bank collapse.